Good morning, everyone. Emily Sunil Sangwan congratulated daughters on their success. Emily Sunil Sapal Sangwan congratulated Swati Fogart, resident of village Modi, and Ankita Shoran, doctor of Dhanasri, on their success in the UPSC examination. Emily Sunil Sangwan spoke to the family members of both the successful daughters over the phone and wished them for their bright future. The Emily said that it is a matter of great happiness that Charkhi Dadri's daughter Swati Fogart and Ankita Shoran have succeeded in the UPSC examination. Both the daughters who grew up in the soil of the village have brought glory to their parents, society, and the state by becoming IAS on the basis of their hard work. He said that when someone achieves a big milestone, he becomes a source of inspiration for all the other youth.
जो शहीद हो गए पूरे देश में, पूरा देश इसके लिए इसको दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण करार दे रहा है। पूरा देश उन परिवारों के साथ खड़ा है। पूरे देश में इस चीज़ का बड़ा जोश और रोष है। इस चीज़ में जो भी आतंकवादी, जो भी देश इसमें शामिल है, उससे एक एक चीज़ का बदला लिया जाएगा। हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री इस चीज़ का मादा भी रखते हैं। उन्होंने पीछे भी ये करके दिखाया है, जो भी इसमें शामिल हैं उनको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा कुछ किसी भी सूरत में। जो परिवार जिनके लाल, जिनके बच्चे वहाँ शहीद हो गए, उनके लिए पूरा देश आज साथ खड़ा है। पूरे भारतीय जनता पार्टी उनके साथ खड़ी है। पूरे प्रदेश की भारतीय जनता पार्टी इकाई उनके साथ खड़ी है। और हमारे भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दादरी जिले की इकाई उन शहीदों को जो वहाँ जिनकी हत्याएं होगी, निर्मम हत्याएं होगी, उसकी घोर निंदा करती है। और परमपिता परमात्मा से पूरा जिला, पूरा प्रदेश और पूरा देश भगवान से ये दुआ करता है कि जो उस हमले में घायल हुए हैं वो जल्दी स्वस्थ होकर अपने घर को लौटें। हम पूरे दादरी जिला भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसको बड़ा दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण करार देती है। भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद, पाकिस्तान मुर्दाबाद। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
DLS celebrates Earth Day in school, Charkhi Dadri. Earth Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm in the Government School of Petavas as part of Action Plan 2025 and to mark Earth Day. An awareness camp was organized in the school by the District Legal Services Authority. The aim of the program was to make students aware about the importance of adopting precautionary practices to protect our environment and preserve the planet for future generations. Sanjeev Kajla, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Secretary, District Legal Services Authority, was present at the event. He was warmly welcomed by the school principal, staff, and students. In line with the theme of this year's Earth Day, a painting competition was organized for the students, in which they were encouraged to creatively express the views and ideas on environmental protection, conservation of resources, the need to protect Mother Earth. The colorful and meaningful artworks highlighted various topics including pollution control, tree plantation, water conservation, and sustainable living. The Secretary of the Authority showed skin internet in the paintings of the students, interacted with them during the competition and asked them practical questions to engage the young minds on the issue of environment. Speaking at the event, Secretary of the Authority Sanjeev Kajla states on the need for collective efforts to tackle environmental conservation. He encouraged the student to adopt a small but meaningful lifestyle change in life, reducing the use of plastic, conserving water and electricity, and planting more trees. He told the student that the future is in your hands. It is your responsibility to act the protect of the earth. On this occasion, a tree plantation drive was also conducted in the school in the presence of the Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority, the authority secretary, the school principal, and students planted samplings together. And on this occasion, the Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority explained the importance of trees. The event concluded with all the attendees taking an oath to protect and preserve environment in their daily lives. The students showed great enthusiasm and interest in the event, making it the successful and awareness initiative. In the end, the Secretary of the District Legal Services Authority said that such event play a role in promoting environmental consciousness among and future generations and promoting a greener, cleaner tomorrow. Apply for PM National Bal Puruskar by 1st July. Selected children will be awarded by the President. The Women and Child Development Department, Government of India has invited the nominations for the Prime Minister National Bal Puruskar till 1st July. Under the National Bal Puruskar, children who have achieved extraordinary achievements in the field of bravery, sports, social science, science and technology, environment, art and culture, and whose age is between 5 years to 18 years on 31st July will be awarded by the President in the ceremony to held in January 2026. Informed that announcement of the award will be made on 26th December 2025 on the occasion of National Veer Bal Divas. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma informed that a total of 25 children will be selected under various categories in the Bal Puruskar. A medal and a citation will be given in the awards. Giving information about the selection process, he said that first of all, the applications received will be shortlisted by the screening committee, after which the final names will be selected by the national committee. For the National Child Award, the state government, union territory administration, district collector, district magistrate, panchayat raj institutions, all central and state school boards, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Navodaya Vidyalaya Sangathan, National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, State Commission for Protection of Child Rights, and National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, Ministry of Social Justice, Department of Disability, Department of School Education, and the Ministry of Education, all state departments of school education, Ministry of Youth Affairs, Department of Sports, Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Culture, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Environment and Forces, Minister of Defense, Minister of Home Affairs and National Selection Committee, including Press Information Bureau, can nominate. Other information related to the award can be seen on awards.gov.in. Prepare for plantation. Monsoon is the best time. Yes, human life will be possible as long as there are trees on earth. Without trees, we will not get life-giving oxygen, and neither will it rain on earth, because trees help in bringing rain. Life on earth is possible only because of trees. Prepare for the coming monsoon from now. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma has said that every person must plant a tree on any auspicious occasion of his family, like birthdays, Diwali, and anniversary, etc. Along with planting the trees, take care of them as well. The increasing level of pollution in environment is a matter of concern for all of us. We all have to take necessary steps and time towards environmental protection, and also inspire the coming generation to plant as many trees as possible. We all have to take a place to plant a tree on any festival and auspicious occasion, and take care of it like your child. Only then can increasing level of pollution in the environmental can be reduced. Monsoon season is considered most suitable for plantation. In such a situation, if every citizen of the district takes a place to plant trees, then we can definitely make our district more green. Reservation of wards of Hansawaz, Khurd and Barda on 6th May. As per the provisions made under Rule 5 of Haryana Panchayat Raj Elections Rule 1 1994, reservation process for the punch post of wards of Hansawaz, Khurd and Barda Gram Panchayats of Barda block will held on 6th May at 11 a.m. Under this, the process of reservation for scheduled caste, backward class A and women will be completed in the Panchayat Samiti Hall. Any interested person can participate in this process. So, friend, thank you very much for this watching PPT News, and I am humble request, please subscribe our channel. So, take care, bye, see ya, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal, jai hind, jai bharat, take care. Hello everyone, as the summer heat begins to rise, it's not just us humans who feel the impact. Birds and animals suffer too. Many birds struggle to find food and clean water during the harsh months. Today we appeal to all of you, please take a small but meaningful step. Place a bowl of clean water and some greens in your balcony, rooftop garden, and a river. You notice birds around. It doesn't take much, but it saves a life. This summer, let's be kind. Let us be responsible. Even a small act of compassion can bring relief to these voiceless creatures. Together, let's make this season a little engineer for them. Let us feed the birds. Let us care for nature. Thank you for being a part of this thoughtful cause. So take care. Bye. See ya. Namaskar.